Same like logo generation, we can generate YouTube thumbnails by using Nano Banana. Here I generated a YouTube thumbnail with a single detail prompt. To generate this YouTube thumbnail, I used a single detail prompt. Here the logo at right side, text on top, bottom right side with a profile picture. Let's see the prompt which I used to generate this YouTube thumbnail. See, this is the prompt I used to generate YouTube thumbnail, and also I attached a profile picture and reference thumbnail. So when you attach a second image or the last image, that will automatically take as a aspect ratio. So here I used this YouTube thumbnail image for aspect ratio. So automatically Nano Banana generates the same aspect ratio YouTube thumbnail for this in detail prompt. Study this prompt and may you can use for your practice purpose.